Functions and abstraction. Getting functional. You already know a lot. Variables and data types and conditionals and iteration. That's enough to write basically any program you ever want to. In fact, a computer scientist would tell you it's enough to write any program that anyone could ever conceive of. But you don't want to stop now because your next step in computational thinking is learning how to create abstractions in your code. That may sound complex, but it's actually going to make your coding life simpler. Creating abstractions gives you a leverage. Leverage, yes. Creating abstractions gives you a leverage. With abstraction, you can more easily create programs of increasing complexity and power. You can put your code in neat little package that you can reuse over and over, and you can forget all the nitty-gritty details of your code and to start thinking at higher level. Sure. Oh my gosh, I forgot it. Okay, anyway. What's wrong with the code anyway? Turning a block of code into a function. We created a function, so how do we use it? But how does all this actually work? Function can return things too. How to call a function that has a return value? Getting a little refactoring under our belts. Running the code. How to abstract the avatar code. Sure, okay. Writing the get attribute function body. Calling get attribute. Let's talk about variables a little more. Understanding variables scope. When variables get passed to functions. Making the drink me functional call. What about using global variables in the functions? Going further, with parameters, default values, and keywords. How default parameter values work. Always list your required parameters first. Using argument with keywords. How to think about all these options. Sure.